Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my video on maxima minima. Let us solve the problem. Find maxima minima of xy plus a cube divided by x plus a cube divided by y with condition a greater than 0. Therefore, for this, find maxima or minima or discuss the stationary values or find extreme values. Therefore, consider let that given function as u xy plus a cube by x plus a cube by y as equation number 1, and then for maxima minima, for max minima, the required condition is dou u by dou x must be equals to 0 and dou u by dou y is equals to 0. So this is the necessary condition. तो एक कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई करना है तो वी रिक्वायर टू फाइंड partial derivatives of u with respect to x and partial derivatives of u with respect to y. So differentiating one with respect to x, differentiating one with respect to x, we get dou u by dou x is equals to keeping y constant. Y को constant consider करना है. Therefore, derivative of u with respect to x, partial derivative of u with respect to x, xy का derivative होगा with respect to x is y, y को बाहर लेते हैं हम constant करके, and x का derivative is 1. 1 by x का derivative होता है minus 1 by x square. A cube constant we take outside, therefore it become minus a cube by x square. एक कांस्टेंट होने की वजह से उसका डेरिवेटिव 0, एंड देन इक्वेटिंग इट टू 0, equating dou u by dou x is equals to 0, it implies y minus a cube by x square is equals to 0. Then cross multiplying it, we get y x square minus a cube is equals to 0. Transferring that to right hand side, we get is equals to a cube as equation number 2. Okay. Then उसी तरह से u को differentiate करते with respect to y, considering x as constant, and therefore differentiating 1 with respect to y, keeping x constant, we get dou u by dou y is equals to, इस टाइम एक्स वाई का डेरिवेटिव होगा विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y as x constant outside, y का 1, therefore it is x into 1 is x. This one is constant term, therefore its derivative is 0, उसका डेरिवेटिव 0 बनता है, एंड देन a cube by y का डेरिवेटिव होगा माइनस a cube डिवाइडेड बाय y स्क्वायर, 1 by y का माइनस 1 by y स्क्वायर, एंड देन यूजिंग दैट कंडीशन equating dou u by dou y equals to 0, it implies equating equation 2 and equation 3, we get x square y is equal to xy square. एक x कैंसिल होगा, एक y कैंसिल होगा, it implies x is equal to y. Put it in any one of the equation, put it in equation 2, we get x square y is equal to a cube. Substituting the value of x as y, we get it is y square into y, means it becomes y cube is equal to a cube. Simplifying it, we get y cube minus a cube is equals to 0. It is in the form of a cube minus b cube. Its factors are a minus b, means here it becomes y minus a, and remaining terms are y square minus ay and plus a square equal to 0, using formula of a cube minus b cube. Its factors are a minus b, a square minus ab plus b square. उस formula का use करते हुए we get this one, and then equating each term to 0, it implies y minus a equals to 0 and y square minus ay plus a square is equals to 0. From this we get y is equals to a, and if we try to solve this quadratic equation, we get roots as minus b means minus of minus, it becomes plus a, plus minus root of b square means a square, minus 4 ac, a is 1, c is a square, therefore divided by 2a, and therefore we get a plus minus root of a square minus 4a square, that quantity is minus 3a square, and divided by 2. And if we try to take root of negative quantity, we get imaginary roots. Roots are imaginary. And as we get imaginary roots, we have to neglect it. Therefore, neglecting. Neglecting it. And therefore, though we are getting here 3 roots, out of that 3 roots, 2 are imaginary. Therefore, neglecting that imaginary roots, we get only one, y is equal to a as a real one. And therefore, if we put that value here, we get x is equals to a, and therefore the point at which we require to find the maxima minima is x is a when y is a. Therefore this is the point at which we get maxima or minima, and therefore for that we have to perform the sufficient condition, for which we require to obtain the values of r, s and t. Differentiating this with respect to x, y को कांस्टेंट कंसीडर करते हुए, तो इसका डेरिवेटिव 0, 1 by x स्क्वायर का होता है minus 2 upon x cube. Therefore that minus and this minus will become plus 2a cube divided by x cube. Differentiating this again with respect to y, so that we get dou tu by dou x dou y. Y का डेरिवेटिव with respect to y 1 and constant टर्म का 0, सेकेंड टर्म का डेरिवेटिव 0. फिर t फाइंड आउट करते हैं एज डो tu by dou y स्क्वायर, कीपिंग x कांस्टेंट होने की वजह से उसका डेरिवेटिव 0 and 1 by y स्क्वायर का माइनस, and that minus it become plus 2a cube by y cube. And then we find values at that point. Therefore at point A, we get the values of r, s, t as r का वैल्यू बनेगा, it is 2a cube by a cube. We get that value as 2. A cube get cancelled. S independent of x and y, therefore that remains as it is 1. T का value 2a cube by a cube, once again a cube get cancelled. We get the value as 2. एंड देन वी चेक दैट कंडीशन. कंडीशन होता है आर टी माइनस एस स्क्वायर का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. Therefore r is 2, t is also 2, and minus s square, 1 square is 1. And then simplifying it, 4 minus 1, we get that value as 3, a positive one. Means we get either maxima or minima. आपको एक तो maximum value मिलेगा या minimum value मिलेगा. And to check whether it is maximum or minimum, we have to check the sign of r. R is here 2, which is greater than 0, and therefore as rt minus s square is greater than 0 and r is greater than 0, we get minimum value. There exists a minima for that function, and to obtain that minimum value, u minimum, substituting that point x as a, y as a here, we get a into a, that is a square. A cube by a, we get a square again. Again a cube by a, we get a square. And therefore addition of this 3 as 3a square as the minimum value of the given function u. तो दो चीज याद रखना है दोस्तों. एक तो नेसेसरी कंडीशन क्या होता है और सफिशिएंट कंडीशन क्या होता है. नेसेसरी कंडीशन होता है डो यू बाय डो एक्स एंड डो यू बाय डो वाई, इस दोनों का वैल्यू 0 होना चाहिए. देन एंड देन ओनली वी गेट either maxima or minima. Therefore using that concept we get this point by solving that two equations. Point मिलने पर हमें r, s और t का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. r का वैल्यू होता है डो टी यू बाय डो एक्स स्क्वायर, s का वैल्यू होता है डो टी यू बाय डो एक्स डो वाई, t मीन्स डो टी यू बाय डो वाई स्क्वायर. Therefore performing that three derivatives and then finding the values at that point, उस पॉइंट पे we get value of r as 2, s as 1, t as 2, and then हमें कंडीशन चेक करना है, सफिशिएंट कंडीशन. जब आर टी माइनस एस स्क्वायर का वैल्यू पॉजिटिव होता है देन वी गेट मैक्सिमा और मिनिमा. इफ वी गेट that value as negative, there does not exist any maxima or minima, and if it is equals to 0 हमें detailed analysis करना पड़ता है. तो here as that value is greater than 0 and the value of r is also greater than 0, r का value है 2, and therefore as per that condition we get a minimum value. इस कंडीशन की वजह से हमें मिनिमम वैल्यू मिलता है और दैट फंक्शन इज मिनिमम. एंड टू ऑब्टेन दैट मिनिमम वैल्यू वी पुट दैट पॉइंट जहाँ पे मैक्सिमम मिनिमम एग्जिस्ट हो रहा है. तो सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग x एज a, y एज a, वी गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ u मिनिमम एज 3a स्क्वायर. ओके, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आई विल डिस्कस द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ टेलर्स थ्योरम. टेलर्स थ्योरम के एक प्रॉब्लम डिस्कस करूंगा नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. Therefore, if you are watching my videos, please like and share it as well as subscribe to my channel. अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्द से जल्द मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है टू गेट अपडेट्स, न्यू अपडेट्स और नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ न्यू वीडियोस. थैंक यू वेरी मच.